Ang usang tanan. I hope na review mo sa concept sa one-dimensional motion, free fall, and then kaganina po naghatag og link about sa two-dimensional and three-dimensional motion. So hopefully inyo tong siyang gilantaw po, but we will try to allocate time for consultation for that topics also. So now, gusto na akong pumisa ko ng tanan if ever na by certain concerns regarding sa to ang last ng mga topics. Anyone? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Okay naman tingali, sir.
Okay na, okay. Sige. So, gusto lang na ako maghatag ng example sa one-dimensional motion, no? Just isa lang siguro para at least nalay ka na ko, nalay feeling kung unsay ginabuhat nato sa one-dimensional motion. I think this one na discuss na ay na po example ani last time. So I guess I mean na ay example ani kay Ma'am Normie na video. And then hopefully karon lang po at least ma-review lang po ta, at least makuha lang po ang feeling bang inani yung siya pag-solve. So may nindot ani nga problem.
So, kaya, admin charge you, 16,000. 1 year, 1 year, you go on 1 year, you go operate. Check kayo mo yun. Consistent siya, for 5 years. Then you like extension day go. Kaya ako na yung review ko. 34,000.
Can you see now my screen?
Wala, sir.
Wala ano? So it's loading pa no? Hinay siya ang internet. Sige lang ako sa ako control.
Ito na. Or
For 90 pa ako.
Okay. So I think kita ani mo na karon.
Ay, Derek, paano mo ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Tama yun. Na quantum charge ako na okay ko.
okay, so let's have this problem. First na kay ko ano, na kay a car starts from rest. So na ay mga words class na ay equivalent nga sa tawagan ni na equivalent nga numerics na ma-translate or sa tawagan ni ma-extract nimo sa iya. Like for example, kini starts from rest, so that would mean that the initial speed or velocity is equal to 0. So just take note of the word at rest, no? From rest or na inana nga mga cases. And then, it accelerates in a straight line at 1.6 meter per second square for 10 seconds. So, basically, sulatan baka na ko nino? Okay. So, naay gatagan ka og acceleration and time. And then, you are asked to solve for the final speed. That's A. And then, how far has it traveled in this time? And then, if the brakes are then applied and it travels farther 20 meters before stopping, what is the deceleration? So I think let's start with A. So akong buhaton kay transfer ko from this one to balin ko sa itong other na note. Tire screen na lang siguro kung ikaw, no? So, okay. Okay, so balik pa na. So, problem 1 to no? Say problem 1. Given nimo kay you have initial velocity. So, this time around, okay, so ako lang sa VO is, it starts from rest. And then, ang iyahang the other conditions. Acceleration is 1.6 for 10 seconds. So, acceleration is 1.6 meters per second square. And then, to the other 10 seconds. So, na-accelerate siya for 10 seconds. T is equal to 10 seconds. Now, for A, kay pangitaan ka og ito, find the final speed. Okay, final speed, V. Okay, so, and then, let's do this. The solution would be, again, naka equations of motion, no? So now, first equation is you have V equals VO plus AT. Second equation is you have this, X minus X of 0 equals VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Second equation would be X minus X of 0. Third equation, I mean, you have 1/2 plus VO times VO plus V times time. Are you with me? And then the fourth one would be V squared plus X, no? So you have V squared minus VO squared equals 2A X minus X of 0. Tama ba? Tama ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Tama, sir.
Okay,
Tama.
so now, so take note of this equations of motion. So, para ni-memorize na niyo, no? Okay. Now, if we try to look at the case for A, so pangitaan kag V, find V. So now, lantawan nimo equations here, ang equations of motion, so na V here. So basically, you can use this. And then this one, this is, and can't use that. Walay final V. And then this one, you can use this one because na ay V. Okay, and then V, pwede po. Okay, so ako ba't pasabot na ni, possibly you can use these three equations. But then you have to cross-check or you have to verify whether magamit bagid nimo siya based sa given sa problem. So in this case, tigaan kag VO, tigaan kag A, tigaan kag T. So now, notice that wala ka tigaay o position. Wala ka tigaay x, wala ka tigaay x sub 0. So these are unknown. So technically, now you can eliminate the other equations na naa sa imong equations of motion. So remember, nakakitulo ka candidates. But then noticing that walay x o x sub 0, so that would mean wala ni. So therefore, we can eliminate this. And you can use that furthermore. This one also, you can't use this because na x and x sub 0. So basically now, we are forced to use equation number 1. So pangalan natin is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are now forced to use equation number 1. And then it turns out that, okay. So number 1 is the easiest equation to work with. So what you do is using equation number, so using equation number 1, we have V equals VO plus AT. And then you just have to plug in. V sub 0 is equal to 0 because the car, it's a object. Is it a car? Yes, it's a car. Starts from rest. And then that's 0 and then plus the acceleration, which is 1.6 meter per second square times the time, which is actually 10 seconds. So now, just have to multiply. So you have 1 times 10. That's just equal to 10. And then look at the unit. I can cancel 1 of the seconds at the bottom. So therefore, I have 10 meter per second. So that's the V. That's the final speed after 10 seconds. Okay? Question?
Ay, sir, excuse me, sir. Sa kanang final answer, sir, 1.6, sir, 1.6 times 10.
Ay, sorry. Thank you. Okay, na-confuse ko sa kung aging sa class. So that's 1.6. So that's basically, that's not 10, but that's 16. Thank you. Thank you for that. 16. Sorry. 16. Okay. Question. How about for B? B is how far has it traveled in this time? Okay. So now, pangitaan ka o distance. So that would mean that pangitaan ka ni class how far the delta x. That would mean that x minus x sub 0. Pila na siya? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Or if we did a gyapon class, or if at t sub 0 equals 0, ang imuhang v sub 0 is equal to 0. So kung imong iset na ang x sub 0 po to be 0, so that would mean you're asked to solve for x. Imong delta x now becomes x lang. Diba? Since x sub 0 is 0, so imo mo na iset of 0, so that would mean ilang x. So now, looking at the equations of motion, so we would have, ato na tawag ito ha. Sorry. Ano ibalik? Up. So I have V here, and then this is V also. So now, for number 2 class, ang gipangita kay distance traveled man no. So now, pabuhaton is ang gipangita is this one. X, X, and that. So we know already that okay, we can set this to 0 as well as this one and this one. So now we are asked to solve for X. Now take note that we already have an additional information based on the results found in letter A. So nanakay information about V at after 10 seconds, okay? After this time. So nanakay additional information. So now, what are the possible equations that we can use? So in this case, basically equation number 1, you can use equation number 1 since wala X na, right? Now, possible equations class ngayon magamit kay na X equation number 2, so we can use this possibly. Also this one and this one. Now, can we really use equations 2, 3, and 4? So let's check. So based on, okay, if we try to look at equation number 2, is initial speed given? Yes, this is given. This is given. How about time? Time is also given here. And then A is also given. So, okay. So we can use equation number 2. How about equation number 3? So we look at initial speed. Okay, this is given. How about the final speed? Yes, this is now known. This is now known based on the results at A. So nakaibalo na ka sa final speed at time 10 seconds. So time is also given here. So okay, so you can also use equation number 2. And the same thing for the fourth equation. So we can use V, and V is known, VO is given, acceleration is given. So okay, so technically you can use either of the 3 equations. So mas pick na lang ka class kung asa imong preferred nga equation. So for me, so I'll use the easiest one. So kinahanglan di na ako mag transform or mag derive of equations. So basically pick na ko ang equations nga naana ang X sa left hand side. So that will be either equations number 2 and number 3. So in my case, I'll use equation number 2. So here I'll say using equation number 2, that is, so I have, like ang given. So I have X equals VO T plus 1/2 AT squared. So remember, sir, nawala X sub 0. I know already that X sub 0 is 0. So ako nang gitanggal ang X sub 0. It's because it is just 0. So it does not matter. On the other hand, I know already that VO is also 0. So VO is 0. So that would mean 0 times T would be 0. So that leaves me the second term. So that would mean I have 1/2. Okay, copy lang ako ang second term, no? And then plug in the corresponding acceleration. So you have 1.6 meters per second square. And then the corresponding time, which is 10 seconds square. So now, what happened is that, okay, you can simplify first this expression here. So you have 10 seconds square, that becomes 100 seconds square. So look at the unit here. I have I have second square at the denominator, and then I also have second square at the numerator, so I can cancel that out. So I have 100 times 1.6. That's basically 160, right? 160 divided by 2. That's around 80.
80.
So this is 80 meters. That's x. Okay. Question. Now you can try equation number 3 and number 4, class. That I leave that one as your exercise. Okay. Try to check, class. If indeed, if you use equation number 3 and equation number 4, you should get 80 meters. Dapat the same lang sila. Okay? Question so far? Okay? Question so far? Wala. Wala? Wala na? Wala no? So let's proceed to the
Wala.
okay. The last question is if the brakes are then applied and it travels a distance. This is a farther not, and it travels farther. So sayop ang statement ni class. So that means that after okay, if the brakes are then applied and it travels a distance 20 meters before stopping. So here, take note of the word stopping. Okay, so at the final speed stopping. So gikan sa B class, we know already that at B that's the case we're in ang imong car kay the initial condition is actually atong 10 seconds, right? Nakuha, class? So na
Yes, sir.
primero kay nagsugod siya at rest and then abot siya o certain distance which is actually 80 meters. Ang time dito is 10 seconds. Now, after that, nidagan gyapon ni imong sakyanan for about 20 meters. So that would mean 80 plus 20 meters. So that's around 100 meters, right? Ako ha? Ako i-draw ha?
Yes, sir.
I-draw na ko ang picture para klaro, class. So that would mean, okay. So ang evolution sa imong car, so if na kay line, so nag-start, okay. Kaya nagsugod na dayon ang one class, akong pati kay nga drawing. Naglutaw ang sa kinan class. Lutaw gyud. Basta? Ano? So, here, x 0 is 0. This is the case. One initial, no? This is b 0 equals 0. So we know that at some time, naabot siya at x 80 meters. Inabot rin mong car. No? And then we know that the speed here is pila ito? Taas. 16 meters per second. So you have 16 meters per second. Ang yung acceleration dani is given. This is 1.6 meter per second square. So ang time dani class is t here is 10 seconds. Now, hikan dani kaya travel siya og 20 meters farther. Okay? So nakakay sakyan ang dani. here, rin ang iyang speed na kay nag-stop na siya. So that would mean that's the final speed. This is now kining imuhang point da ni class. This becomes now your initial condition. So that would mean, ako ni sila ka, take note. So this becomes now your initial condition. So this becomes VO, your new VO, 16 meters per second. Nakuha? So you're asked, what is the acceleration or deceleration? So that would mean here, you're asked to solve for the acceleration here. So now, again, going back class at ito sa taas. So, ako na lang sulat na bago. Sige na lang kung sulat-sulat o equations of motion class or recall. Sorry. This one. So recall. Let's rewrite so equation number 1. You have VO plus AT. Second, x minus x sub 0 equals VOT plus 1/2 AT square. Third, you have x minus x sub 0 equals 1/2 VO plus V times time. Fourth is you have V squared minus VO squared equals 2A x minus x sub 0. Okay, so that's your equations of motion, right? Equations of motion. So now, pangita is acceleration. So here, right? Tantawanin mo, asa na acceleration? So, na acceleration equation number 1, na acceleration equation number 2. Equation number 3 has none. So technically, you can't use equation number 3. While equation number 4, possibly you can use this. So now, can you really use equation number 1? Let's check. Final speed is actually given, right? Okay. Here, result is a problem that it stops. Tama? Right? It stops, so therefore, okay, we know V is given. How about VO? VO is also given, right? That's 16 meters per second. Tama? Kay morag atong lantaw ang development from this point here going to this point. So this is your initial now. This is your initial condition. And then this is your final condition. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now, look at these conditions. Gihatag ba ang time na class? Gihatag ba ang time nga moabot siya dani? Gihatag wala.
Wala, sir.
Very good. So wala gihatag. So therefore, okay, so T is unknown. So therefore, okay, and I can't use this. Question number 1, I can't use this since time is unknown. Okay, the same thing with question number 2. This is also a because night time. We don't know time as of the moment. How about equation number 4? Luckily equation number 4 has no time. But then, is the other parameters are the parameters present in equation number 4 given? So let's try to look at V, the final speed. Is it given? Yes, this is given. That's 0. How about initial speed? Yes, it's also given here. This is that value, right? How about the distance? Okay, this distance now, class, kini siya nga distance here. Kini siya padulong Dani. This is your delta x. So this is actually 20 meters. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically this one, this is your delta x. This is actually given, right? This is given. So therefore, okay, so now we are now forced to use equation number 4. So the only equation to use, class, is equation number 4. Therefore, okay, using equation 4, we have, so I have here v squared minus vo squared equals 2a x minus xm0. So now, look at, class, you are asked to solve for acceleration. So therefore, you need to transform this equation. So manigisulti na ako, class, na kinahanglan ka bulok ka mo-transform. So to do that, notice that ang imong right-hand side, here, right-hand side nimo, this is the right-hand side, na kay walay sign in between two a, class. So meaning walay plus, walay negative. Walay plus, walay negative. So therefore, what you do is to cancel out 2 and the expression nga x minus xm0, what you do is you divide both sides by that amount. So meaning, kinahanglan mawala ang 2 ug ang quantity nga x minus xm0. So that would mean I should divide this. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ang iyahang reason why I do that, so that I can cancel out 2 and this parenthesis na nag-contain of x minus xm0. Since I'm dividing this amount here, I should do that the same here at the left-hand side para balance the equation. So I can have 2x xm0. So unsay buhaton nimo sa tuo, dapat buhaton nimo sa wala. So now, I can cancel out 2 here sa right-hand side. The same thing with this expression. I can cancel out that. Same mabilin, para kay acceleration A. So now what I'm going to do is I can flip this. I can pick that. Or I can write that as A is equal to V square minus VO square over 2x xm0. Are you with me?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so now we can now proceed. So now just plug in. Okay, adre lang sa plug in. We know that V is 0. It stops at the final condition. It stops. So you have 0 square minus the initial speed is pila ito? That's 16. Tama? This one. That's our new.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's 16. And then divided by, you have 2 times, kini, this is your delta x, right? This is delta x. And we know that that's just 20 meters. Can you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so very good. So that's what is left now is you perform the corresponding operation. So you have 16 square plus pila man na siya. Take note, 9 negative, so this becomes negative here. And then this amount, pila ni siya? 16 square.
356, sir. Negative.
356 meter square second square. Okay? I-square man mo siya, no? And then divided by, this is 2 times 20, that's 40
Sir,
meters.
sorry, sir. 256 na siya, sir.
Sir,
Ha?
256, sir. 256.
Okay, sorry.
256.
So 250, 256. So, yeah, 256. Now, I have here meter squared, second squared, and then you have meter. So what you do is, i-divide sa mo number class. So negative time divided by negative 256 divided by 40, pila ni siya? This is negative
6.4, sir.
pila?
6.4, sir.
6.4. So yeah,
6.4.
6.4, no? So now look at the unit. So I have meter square, second square. So now division man siya, no? Meter squared, second square divided by meter. So what I'm going to do is I'll take the reciprocal. So meaning I could have, can make this one as multiplication times 1 over meter. So look at the unit plus, I can cancel out meter. So that would mean, okay, I have acceleration is equal to negative 6.4 meter per second square. That makes sense because acceleration is in terms of meter per second square. And not only that, look at the unit here, sir, negative. Yes, that makes sense because you are asked about the deceleration. So deceleration classes is somewhat, it's just a term used to describe that the acceleration is actually directed towards the opposite side. So in this case, padulong sa left. Okay? So that's why this is now the acceleration. Or deceleration. Deceleration tungkol sa direction na negative. Question so far? Pangutana. So na-appreciate na ninyo class kung sa ka-importante ang sa tawag ani, kung sa ka-importante ang equations of motions and how you use it. So sa inyo nakita, kailangan lang nimo memorize ang upat equations and then i-master lang nimo ang formula transformation so that gamay ra imo equation na memorize. So now, ang problema if dili ka kabalo mo transform ang equation, so that's the problem. Okay? So, kailangan ng response class. Dili ko mo-proceed kung walay response. Naamay pangutana ani.
Wala, sir.
wala, sir.
Okay, good. Wala. So now, I think if naisa ka problem, I don't know if na-discuss ba nila to sa video class. I just have to, let me ask you, if kini nga case, kini class, kini nga problem. I mean, ang skill set diri dapita class kay dapat makuha ko rin yan.